So first things first, I know who you are, but there may be only a couple of people in the Kubernetes ecosystem who don't. Who are you? What's your role? And where do you work?
Awesome. I am Danielle Cook. I'm a CNCF ambassador, and I am working at Akamai as a senior PMM.
Very good. And in terms of Akamai's plans for KubeCon, tell me more about that. First of all, where's your booth going to be?
So we are in booth 410. So we'll have a big shiny booth there, lots of lights, really looking good. I'm excited for everybody to see it. Akamai has so much stuff happening at KubeCon, which is really, really exciting. The first thing we're doing is on the day zero, we are running a platform engineering capture the flag with yours truly. Yay! It's going to be so great. It's a team sport. Get your friends together. If you don't know anybody, it's an awesome opportunity to meet people in the community and work together. It's a workshop. We're going to have you race to build production-ready Kubernetes internal developer platforms. That is a mouthful.
And apart from that, there are a couple talks going on.
There's a couple, yeah. So we have Sudesh speaking with Kate from Fermion. They're doing a conversation also on day zero at the Kubernetes on Edge Day. So it's all around breaking the latency barrier. I think that will be a really good talk around tackling compute, networking, like how do you make sure things aren't delayed. We also have Alex Cherop. So he is a member of the TOC for the CNCF. He's doing a talk, one of the keynotes around cloud native back to the future, the road ahead. So I think that will be really fun to watch him there. And then because I can't help myself, I'm doing a few talks. I am so excited about this panel. I am doing a panel called Beyond the Dashboard around modern I can't say the word, Bart.
Modern observability.
There we go. And I am doing it with Whitney Lee at Datadog, Stevie from Fairwinds, Kalea from Eon, and then Pale from Intuit. It is an amazing lineup. It's I can't believe I get to be with them to do this. And then there's another talk around mapping the next phase, updating the cloud native maturity model. So that's something that's near and dear to me. We have the CNCF cloud native maturity model. My working group works on it. We've released the latest version, and it's in beta right now. We're looking for comments, and this talk will be all about, hey, we're trying to figure out cloud native and AI and beyond and putting the maturity model into good use. So make sure you check that one out.
All right, that's good. I mean, it's good to build the suspense. On top of that, I'm going to be super stoked to be swinging by your booth on November 12th. On Tuesday, we're going to be doing one of our YAML Games quizzes so people can win prizes, show off their Kubernetes skills, nerd out on Kubernetes trivia. That's also going to be going on. Is there anything that we've missed in terms of what Akamai is? You have a very busy...
It is so busy. We do have one more thing. Billy Thompson, he's going to be doing a conversation around from Kubernetes to AI. It's in the solution showcase. That will be really fun, looking at what is happening here, right? Cloud native AI, what do we need to do? And what do we really need to build apps? So there is so much going on. I'm super excited about it. And, for everybody who's going, meet up, chat. It's such a great event that's amazing content, but the community and the networking is always stellar. And I get to see you, Bart.
Yep, I'm very excited about that as well, and couldn't agree more. In terms of the opportunity to interact with so many folks, get your questions answered, ask new questions, go home with things to work on. Obviously, some cool swags, some cool giveaways that you'll have more information about in terms of Akamai. Well, Danielle, I will see you very soon in Atlanta, and best of luck with all the preparation. Take care.
You can't wait.